right, guys, did y'all miss my live today? We did this model in my class today. She has a low hairline, so I just wanted to show my students what to do. We actually took a wig that was made in class, and we did the low hairline. The low hairline is super easy, guys. The thing about it is you actually have to pull that frontal all the way to the front. You're going to end up with a lot of hair in the middle, and that has to be removed. We removed this on live. We used Nair. Y'all missed it. Now, on her, we actually had to go in and do tape. I've been showing you guys this. Make sure y'all watch my actual YouTube on low hairline so you know what to do and how to protect your hair underneath that cap, because I don't want y'all putting glue on the cap because your hair is under there. So we had tape on top of the cap, and then we put glue on top of the tape to make this work. Y'all got to try this. It is so easy, and it's going to help protect the hair. Look at her hairline looking all good. Yes, it is looking all good. Love it. We actually went in with the Bold Hold Lace Jelly to blend her lace down and melt it, and we did a cut on live. Y'all missed it. Y'all gotta don't be missing my lives, because this is what we be doing on lives, baby. We be doing hair. Yes, look at her. Yes, y'all missed it. Don't miss my lives now. See y'all tomorrow.